OfficeCLI just blew past 13,000 stars, and it got there fast. It's an open-source tool that lets AI agents build real Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files straight from the command line, with no copy of Microsoft Office installed anywhere. In just a few weeks, it jumped from under 11,000 stars to over 13,000, and it's trending across GitHub. That kind of curve usually means a tool hit a nerve. So let's look at exactly why developers are piling in, and whether it lives up to the hype. Here's the repo itself. iOfficeAI/OfficeCLI, 13.3 thousand stars, 900 forks, and 127 releases, with the latest one shipping just hours ago. Read the description and the pitch is bold. The first and best Office suite purpose-built for AI agents. The topic tags tell the whole story. Agent, CLI, Claude Code, Excel, Word, PPTX. And this is the key thing to understand. It is not a wrapper around Microsoft Office. It's a ground-up re-implementation of the Office file formats as a single native binary, so an agent can create and edit documents anywhere, with no license, no install, and no graphical interface. Notice the pace, too. Nearly 5,700 commits and a release cadence measured in hours. So what problem does it actually solve? Until now, if you wanted an AI agent to generate a real spreadsheet or a slide deck, you had three bad options. Install Microsoft Office and try to script it, or wire up language-specific libraries like python-docx and OpenPixel and start hand-editing XML, or pay for Office licenses running inside your CI pipeline. OfficeCLI throws all of that out. One binary reads, writes, and renders all three formats. No Office, no per language library, no XML surgery, and nothing to license. And because it was built for agents first, every command is designed to be driven cleanly by a model, not clicked through a menu by a human. Think about what that unlocks. Any coding assistant that can run a shell command can now produce a polished, client-ready document on any operating system with nothing else installed. Let's actually watch it build a presentation from nothing. Create the file, add a slide with a title, then drop a text shape onto it at exact coordinates. That right there is a real, openable PowerPoint deck, generated by 3 commands an agent can emit in a fraction of a second. Want to check the result without opening PowerPoint? Render it straight to an image, and now the agent literally sees what it made. No Office window ever opened, not once. This is the loop that makes OfficeCLI click. Generate, render, inspect, repeat, and every step of it runs completely headless. For an AI agent, that visual feedback is the difference between blindly writing XML and actually knowing the slide looks right before it hands it back to you. Put the old way right next to the new way, and the gap is stark. The traditional stack means an Office license, a separate Python library for every format, XML you're forced to understand, and a heavy runtime you have to babysit in CI. OfficeCLI collapses all of that into a single self-contained binary with 0 dependencies. On the old path, your agent writes brittle code and just hopes the file opens. On the new path, it runs one high-level command and gets a validated document back, with 350 Excel formulas evaluated on the spot. Exact same goal, a tiny fraction of the moving parts, and far less that can silently break in production. The maintainers do not undersell it. In their own words, quote, OfficeCLI is the world's first and best Office suite designed for AI agents. And the README backs that up with a wall of finished decks, academic papers, budgets, and dashboards, all of which, they say, were created entirely by AI agents, with no templates and no manual editing whatsoever. Bold claim, but the examples are right there in the repo to check. Excel is where it gets genuinely impressive. Write a formula into a cell, and OfficeCLI evaluates it immediately, with no opening the file in Excel to force a recalc. Sum arrange, and the cell already holds the computed value the instant the command returns. It ships a native engine with over 350 Excel functions, plus real native pivot tables. For an AI agent building out a financial model, that is the whole game. It can write a formula and instantly read back the answer, closing the loop without a human, and without a single copy of Excel anywhere in the pipeline. Zoom out, and the feature list is genuinely deep for a project this young. All 3 file formats, with full read, write, and create. A rendering engine that outputs both HTML and PNG. Template merge using placeholder keys. Batch edits driven from a single JSON file. A live preview server that auto-refreshes as the document changes underneath it. And an MCP server, so Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot can call OfficeCLI as a native tool, no glue code required. There's even a resident mode that keeps a document open across many steps, so a long agent workflow doesn't reparse the file every single time. At that point, it's less a script and much more a complete document runtime for agents. And the numbers behind it are a big part of why it's spreading so fast. Over 350 Excel functions, all 3 Office formats, a single binary with 0 external dependencies to manage, and an MCP server that plugs straight into the agent tools developers are already using every day. It's the rare project where the headline features and the adoption curve are pointing in exactly the same direction, straight up. And you don't need any special setup to try it. The whole thing installs from a single command line, and the docs, the examples, and a full wiki are all one tap away right on the repo. Star it, skim through the examples folder, and you'll find runnable commands with their actual output files committed right alongside them, so you can see exactly what an agent produces. For a tool this young, that level of polish is unusual, and it's a real part of why the star count just keeps climbing. So who is actually behind it? It's the iOfficeCLI team, the same small group building I on Y, all under the banner they call AI on UI. It's a tightly focused org with one clear mission, giving AI agents real hands on real software instead of just chat. And with OfficeCLI now past 13,000 stars and shipping new releases almost daily, that focus is very obviously resonating with developers who want their agents to actually get work done, not just talk about it. OfficeCLI is one of those tools that quietly changes what AI agents can actually do, turning document creation from a real headache into a single command. Every source is cited below, and the install is a single command away. If you found this useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more tools like this one. Thanks for watching.